Welcome back to Nikki's Scrapbooking Adventures. Today we are going to do a little bit something different. We are going to prepare for December Daily in December. I have been seeing a lot of videos and propaganda for advent calendars where you can buy supplies and you can open them in the month of December. Well, in the fear of missing out, I want to make my own and not actually spend a dime. Now, the way that I have stored my embellishments for Christmas is in a photo box. It's a little beat up, but it's packed full plus some, right? So what we're going to do is transition some of these items into my DIY advent calendar. So what this is just a piece of paper folded in half, and I taped the edge to make it like a pocket. Then I took my tab punch, punched out 25, wrote down the numbers as you can see, and then stapled them on here. I don't expect this to last very long. I only expect it to last 1 year. And that's okay. I want to be able to just kind of toss this if I don't want to do this again next year, but I thought this would be a fun way to go ahead and dig into some of these supplies, look at them, determine if I actually want to use them this year, and then what my goal will be is to use whatever item or supply during that day in the month of December. So we're going to do this together. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put this in my box to the right. And we're going to dump this thing out on my desk. Oh, yes. We're going to just dump it because, yeah, look at how much Christmas stuff I have. I seriously don't need any more. I just don't need it anymore. Look at all this stuff. Look at that. And I have, really? More wood veneer? It's fine. It'll be fine. I am going to be doing 6x8 layouts this year in a simple stories box, but I thought this would be kind of fun to go through, see what we got here for all of these goodies. Now, when I slip this in to a little pocket, right, I'm just going to put it in 18. I don't know. Why not? I don't expect to use the whole thing. Okay, here's a roadblock. Hang on. It doesn't fit. So, I'm going to make it fit. I don't expect to use everything, right? Which is absolutely fine. And I'm actually going to go in order. So this will be number 1. I just want to use something off this sheet because it's super cute. I'm going to go in order because then I can keep my brain straight. See, now it fits. Sweet. Okay, next day, let's do Christmas tree. I'll stick those in day 3. So I'm just kind of randomly picking what I want. You know what? I'm going to add this to day 2 because this is Christmas tree. That's a little Christmassy. I'm going to keep these things like this separate because I'll use those as like my day markers, so I might as well not add it. I'm going to keep my die cuts separate because I want to use things like this over the die cuts. Okay, let's see. I've got some tinsel here. This is really fun. So this is actually supposed to go on like a mini tree, and I actually used it on a page last year, and it was a lot of fun. Don't think I'll be using it this year. I might actually get rid of that. Ooh, okay. So, here's another Christmas tree. There's day 3. Just kind of adding to it. Oh, I'm sorry, day 2. Okay, day 3. Ooh, let's talk about cocoa. Move this guy over. And then I can trim these guys off. So what I'll end up doing is in the mornings, I'll go ahead and take a look at my random pieces and maybe grab some inspiration. Who knows? Okay, is this whole thing gonna fit in there? Oh yeah. Let's do that. Let's do day 4. So this is gonna allow me to, 1, reduce what's in my box, and 2, get some stuff used. There's day 5. Look at that. See how perfectly that fits? That's fantastic. And I do have so much stuff, clearly. Let's do this as day 6. And I have one of those memories where I'm not going to remember what's actually in here. So it'll be fun to get this little package when I'm done. Why not? Let's use this sucker up. Like, man, that is on the last dregs. Let's see. Ooh, let's use some of this. Let's do a chipboard here. That'd be fun. Maybe I'll put both chipboard frames and maybe do a frame layout that day. Who knows? Got some buttons there. Those are kind of almost too big. Almost. Ooh, look at that. That's really pretty, isn't it? Day 11. Oh, I think I'll do that on day 2. Day 2 sounds like it's going to end up being my Christmas tree day, which is absolutely fine. Okay, and 11. Here we go. So as you can see, I clearly have plenty of Christmas stuff. And I hope you decide to do something like this too. I think this is going to be fun. Is that going to fit? No, dang it. And I think that sweater weather thing might be too big. There we go. Sweet. Do I want to do day 24 and 25? Okay, here's the die cut pack again. Go ahead and move that over. Die cut pack, move that over. Ooh, I haven't used one of these yet. Let's see. Oh, and here's some cool wood veneer. I got a lot of wood veneer, clearly. Maybe I need to go ahead and do that. Random sticker fun. It's really fun puffy. I wonder where that came from. This is the downfall of having too much supply and then never using them. Ooh, let's do this one. Ooh, that's a little bit lump and bump compared to the rest of them. I really want to use this guy sometime. Oh, and he fits perfectly. Okay, so he's day 14. Aw, his little ornament's about to fall off. He'll be fine. Isn't he cute? I think he's cute. Oh, please fit. Yes. Okay. There's day 14, this little guy. Die cuts. More die cuts. Let's see. What's this? Oh. Meh, let's do it. We'll put that guy in there. Day 15. Oh yeah, I want to get some wood veneer in here too. Hang on. So, I have a lot of wood veneer for Christmas, and I actually might combine all this stuff together. Maybe just make it a little bit easier on myself. To have it all in one spot. What does anybody do with these things? I am going to probably end up throwing this guy away. Because it'll be much easier. There. Look at all that wood veneer. If you want to comment below what you guys do with those pieces, it would be a lot of fun to see what everybody does. I'm just going to pick a couple here for wood veneer. Day 16 is going to be my wood veneer. Oh, I'm going to be so excited when I have just a little gift for myself that I put together. You know, like, it'll be great. To use up some supplies. Maybe not even have to dig into this box. I don't know. What do you think? Do you think I'm going to have to dig into this box still? Maybe for the die cuts. Ugh. Oh, I'm going to donate these. Yep, those are going to be donated. Don't want them. These are so fun, aren't they? They're cute. I used these last year on some pages. They're fun. Ooh, let's add some sparkle to our lives, huh? Okay. Oh my goodness, look at all these suckers. Ugh. Well, let's challenge myself to use some 6x6. There. Challenged. Maybe I can use that as the background paper or something. Okay. I want to use some bows. Ooh. Ooh. Flare. I love this. Isn't this fun? Okay. I don't think I used these at all last year. Oh, here's another die cut pack. There. Yay. I wonder what I'm gonna do this year. I haven't really thought about it, so I have this big, you know, 12 by 12 iris case of Christmas paper that I can go through again. Or I can pull by mood and feel, because I did break up some of the things by mood and feel. So that kind of might be nice to do. Yeah, I think that'll be good. So we'll see what happens. How I'm gonna approach it this year. It was very daunting last year to have to go through an entire iris bin of Christmas supplies. Not gonna lie, it was a beast. So let's think. 6 by 8. How big are these? They're an inch long. So, or inch wide. That'd be kind of fun to do something like this across the title of a page. Let's do that. Already thinking about what I'm going to do and how I'm going to use these. And if I don't end up using whatever's in here, that's okay. It'll be like getting new supplies. That's the whole point. Is to use what I already have so that I feel like I'm getting something new. Okay. Those are done. We're getting down to the wire here. Oh yeah, I'm going to do this. This is what I'm going to do for one of these guys. It's got some twine in there. It's got some tags in there. Okay, down to the last two. Stick here. Well, we'll do this. My Christmas is going to look a little bit different this year because I'm going to go ahead and be on call for my job the week before and the week of Christmas. I kind of got the short end of the stick this year. I want Snoopy on there. We're just going to do Snoopy. What the heck? Where's my 25? Oh, this is 25. This is 24. Snoopy's going to be my 24. So I have no idea what my album's gonna look like this year. Am I gonna have time to actually open gifts with my family? Like, how does that work? So we'll see. But I feel like I just drastically reduced the number of things in my box by adding them to this. Now, how am I gonna store this? I'm thinking that I might, let's see. Oh, it fits in here. We're gonna do it this way. So I'm just gonna add it back in. But then, yeah, we'll just do that for now. And I'll try to stick the rest of it in here as best as I can. Okay, that's not bad. That's really not bad. So here's what doesn't fit in my box anymore. I could just stick it in the side. Let's see if I can get it to no, it's not gonna work. This is like end to end. So I hope you got some inspiration from me. I'm probably gonna just stick these in a bag and hang it on a wall for next year. Yeah, that's fun. I'm excited for this. So I'll just go through and pick day one and see what I've got in day one. And there, yeah, we'll see how this goes. You know, next year I may try something different. I may do the same thing. But clearly I don't need any more Christmas supplies. If you would like me to list any of these items, I am happy to. If you just leave me a comment, I'll definitely do that. I would love for you to answer the question, what are you doing to make a surprise for you this year? Are you going to do an advent calendar? Are you buying an advent calendar from another company? I know Dottie About Flair is doing an advent calendar. Allie Edwards usually does an advent calendar because she is the one who hosts the December daily and those kinds of things. But that's the extent of my video. I hope you got some inspiration. I hope, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.